Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Updates, and this is Jaru. I'm here today to show you or let you know the daily cipher, word and morse code for 10th June. For 10th June to claim your 1 million coins. So the word for today is Web3. And then the morse code is as follows. So the first letter is W, which is dot dash dash dot dash dash, and then E, which is dot, and then the B is dash dot dot dot, and then the 3 is dot 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 dash dash. Voila, we have been able to crack our code for today. Claim your 1 million and enjoy. Always come to this channel for more updates. Thank you very much. This is Jaru, and the channel name is Crypto Updates. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel, both TikTok, YouTube. Follow us so that we will keep on updating you on hamster, kombat and other updates. Thank you very much.